Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to schedule dark and light theme on Windows 10. Open browser. Copy URL from description and paste it into browser search bar. Click download newest version. Click auto dark mode setup. Click run. Click next. Click finish. Check enable automatic theme switching. You can change apps, systems, Edge themes. You can also change wallpaper for light and dark theme. Click apply to changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.